Welcome to another episode of Recreating Eats, and today, to celebrate Festa, I tried to recreate the BTS meal. So chicken nuggets, then two sauces na sweet chili and Cajun sauce. To make the nuggets, I use a combination of breast and thigh fillet, cut into cubes, then transfer sa food processor, add egg, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So if walang food processor, pwede gumamit ng knife, then chop until maging ground yung chicken. Measure 1 tablespoon, shape into a nugget, then freeze for 40 minutes. For the batter, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken powder, paprika, yellow mustard, and soda water. Dip nuggets sa cornstarch, then sa batter, fry until golden, then let it rest for 10 minutes, then double fry in high heat for 2 minutes. Sa fries, store-bought lang gamit ko today, but if gusto nyo ng homemade, you can check my Raising Cane's video. For both sauces, to be honest, hindi ko na super maalala yung lasa, kaya nag-base na lang ako sa ingredients sa packaging, then nag-adjust na lang ako sa measurement. For the Cajun sauce, combine mayonnaise, mustard, white vinegar, salt, honey, lemon juice, sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and water. Sweet chili sauce naman, mix water, tomato paste, hot sauce, chili flakes, cayenne pepper, salt, garlic powder, honey, sugar, and cornstarch. Then let it simmer. Transfer Cajun sauce sa purple container, then sweet chili sauce sa pink container, and that's it. Happy Festa! And try mo na rin and like and follow for more.